As you must have seen that the first steering committee meeting has already been held, in which Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting and Honorable Chief Minister was there. So they have already mentioned that it's going to be, we're trying to make it a little bigger and little grander, and to have more events and activities for the local population also. So we are still, progress is still on, process is still on, and we will be definitely having little bigger, much better, and bigger, film festival this time. So still, the lot of works, parallel works is going on. Now, audience or the viewers can expect the Asian Film Festival, which is going to start on 17th of August. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. There's a variety of films, as you must have seen in the press note. So these are not the typical traditional films that you get to see in theatres. These are very off-beat films. Many of them are documentaries, and many of the films, the origins itself are interesting. I mean, the kind of people that have made the films. There are people from small villages, women from small villages who have made films. We also have a section called audio documentaries. We have all seen video documentaries, but what is an audio documentary? So that's one section. There are 3 audio documentaries where there are just verbal descriptions of what is happening. So this festival is different in more ways than one. As I said, they are not just traditional, typical documentaries and films. We reach out beyond just the scope of a traditional documentary. And as Mr. Amit briefed, that on 17th and 18th we are having it. On 17th at 5 o'clock is the inauguration, and till 8 o'clock we'll have the screenings. And on 18th, which is a Sunday, we start at 11 o'clock with a lunch break, and it will go on whole day with a tea break also in the evening. So it's going to be a whole day activity on the whole of Sunday, and it's open to everyone above the age of 18, and entry is on first come first serve basis.